Hello peeps. So what I'm working on right now, it's this. I just made it up last time after I just get new cam and new mic. So I set up one laptop for making vids and for streaming basically. And yeah, I will change it because there is few things what are not working as it's supposed. So I was thinking to using those space over there just for make an extra plate, board or workspace a little bit lower than this one, so I can sit on my chair in front of it, and then I could use my main PC to do all that stuff. Maybe I will remove those shelves, I'm not sure yet, but at first I need to get those places empty, so I will work on it. I will work on that right now, so see you soon peeps. And then I can add extra lighting and all those stuff. Yeah, we will all see how it's come out. Anyway, yeah, Jeff just come out. Hello there buddy. Anyway, so see you soon. Okay peeps, so I'm like halfway done. Just move some stuff around and need to remove those speaker and air conditioner. Yeah, as you can see, I have Scrapping Irish right now on the screen. Anyway, I'm close, so tiny update. And yeah, let me remove all those stuff and see you soon. Okay peeps, so that's far I get with this. I just set up like tiny desk, very tiny, like 1 meter long. Anyway, a little bit over, but yeah, I still need to find the space for my speaker. I'm gonna transfer this PC station to here somewhere, or other side, I don't know yet, probably inside. Anyway, we'll get rid of this one maybe, or maybe I leave it for now. And as well, so it looks a little bit too small for me right now, but I will see how it works. I will get like tiny workspace. Somewhere here I will hang the camera and the mic, maybe on some kind of arm, I don't know. And yeah, I need to clean it up, that's for sure, and move all those stuff from here to here. And yeah, noise behind, yeah, I still watching, catching up and everything. Crazy family tube running on me right now. I just listen in the background. And as well, I got those piece of plate. I just put it backside to the front, because here I have a round edge, here is just sharp, but anyway, I don't really care about that. And this is supposed to be fitting to my chair in here. And yeah, anyway, tiny update. So see you later on. So I decided to add some drawer under for keyboard and mouse, but this what I have, it's slightly too small, so I find that piece of wood what I will just fit into this hinges, and that should be good enough. Anyway, so see you later. Hello everyone. So another day, another fight. This is still on, just in case. Anyway, most of the stuff of it is unplugged. Anyway, so that's the result for now. I did move my PC, it needs to be just pushed down behind. I did make my drawer for keyboard and mouse. There's still tiny space for working, very small, I was wondering if it's gonna work or not, but anyway, for now my mic standing here and my cam hanging here. For now it didn't mount it. I did use those tripod what I get together with it and hold it with 2 bars of metals. Anyway, I was working on the lighting, and yeah, speaker at the right spot, and I just made up some kind of tiny lighting setup, just like so. For now I just gonna play with it. At the beginning I was thinking to use 3 of those little guys. They're giving a lot of light, and yeah, either though I have a lot of them, I cannot find the working one. I need to repair them to make them work. There is one laying in here, there is like bunch of them in here as well, something here and another bunch, and I still got like big bucket of them. Anyway, first plan was to use 3 of them, 1 at the center and 2 at the both sides. And later on I remember about those tiny LED light spots what I has. I still has some left. I did use 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 piece of it, and each one ran on one transformer. Now it's looking quite ugly, but after I finish up connecting all the cables, I strap it up, it will look okay. Anyway, just tiny piece of wood I just set up to screw all those lights, and there are shining from all direction. I can actually adjust it, each and every one, how much I want, this way and that way as well. So that will be cool, I believe so. And what else? Yeah, so that's I working with it now, and I was always crazy about those switches, so I made up some steering panel. It look like so. It's only those small switches, but anyway, that will be main power for the lightning, and then lights 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Perfect. I will always love that switches, and I have a bunch of them, so why not to use them and have fun with them to using it. Anyway, there's some more switches in here just in case if I need some. And yeah, what I have right now, I got drone TV. Hello buddy, hey Roland. Anyway, so that's the result for now. I believe that will be cool. I still have some spare lights, like spare transformers, 1 light in here and few more in this box. And yeah, for now that's the effect. Hope you enjoy and see you all later on after I finish it up and we begin to testing. So see you then. Okay peeps, I did some soldering. That is my control panel for my light. As you can see, everything nice connected. I even, at the last one, I actually give 1 extra wire and put those cover on it, just in case I wanna make it like bigger or something like that, because there is still some place for more switches. So I just leave my power inlet an extra cable. So that's the tiny update. Now I have to run from control panel to each light and then we will get to testing it out. Anyway, that is cool looking stuff. I like it, and I hope it will work well. Anyway, we see all that later on. See you then. Okay, so looks like I'm finished with connecting everything, and it's supposed to work, I believe. So that's the look behind. Nothing complicated, but yeah, tons of wiring. It's running all over. I still need to test it and zip it together, but yeah, I'm not done yet. I just finished connecting, and yeah, that's the whole look. And let's just give it some power. Just like so. Flip it over. Ow. And hit the start. Cool, nothing happened. First one. No, yeah. Light number 1. Okay. I can see only one bulb running. I don't know why, but maybe it's just burned out. Anyway, number 1, number 2, running nice and smooth. Number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Oh yeah, 9. It fits. Anyway, I don't know if it's not a little bit overlighted, but anyway, that's looking cool. So everything worked except one bulb at the first lamp, and I believe this is supposed to be only bulb because other one it's working. So, but anyway, that's the tiny setup. I just need to adjust all of them how they are, where they are supposed to shine, and yeah, I will play with that later on. And yeah, so that's the effect. I just mount everything, zip the cables, and show you the end result. So see you then. So hello peeps, I believe I did finished up, and that's the effect of lighting at my workbench, and new workbench, slightly smaller. Anyway, tons of lights, and yeah, everything looking great. Hasn't any problems to focus, not this one but that one. Anyway, it's temporarily mounted with 2 ingots, one copper and one something else, I don't remember. Anyway, heavy, good enough to keep the camera at the spot. And that's the steering panel. So that's the main power, and each and every light can be like switched off. And as well shine it for a while, or just put it on. No, yeah. And that's the effect on the workbench. Yesterday I made like test string, and it's looking okay. So I believe today's string will be like good quality, and yeah, hope everyone enjoy and we all have fun. Anyway, I get 9 shame at the screen right now, and yeah, that's the look. So let's see what's come out of it. I believe I would add one more screen for myself. I don't know, maybe here or maybe there, just for putting the chat out or something. Anyway, I will see, because I got like only 2 empty outputs at my graphic card. It has only 2 display ports, so either way I need to some kind of switch for the different plugs, or I need to get some monitors with DisplayPort input. But anyway, we will see what come out. So that's the effect. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it, and see you all at the next one. Take care, everyone.